Guys, so this is already unboxed, but I'll be showing you the unboxing shortly. Just want to say I've been playing around with the watch for 30 minutes. I can't find any negative. I really believe Zelos, it's a great company. I'm not being sponsored by them. As you know, I buy everything on my video. I buy everything. I'm not being sponsored. There's no advertisement on my videos, so I'm only telling you the truth. They're a great boutique watch company. I think they were established in 2014. Very solid, really high quality product. Yeah, and I got this just now, like an hour ago. Yeah, they shipped it from Singapore to Osaka in only like 3 working days. I ordered Tuesday evening and I actually got it on Friday morning in Osaka, Japan, but I was not at home, so FedEx had to come back in the evening. Right, let's go to the unboxing. Enjoy! Konnichiwa guys! Today I got another unboxing. I just received this. Basically, I'm so happy with the service and really surprised how fast it got from Singapore to Japan. So I ordered this Tuesday evening and I just got it today on Friday. So without further ado, let's do it. See, they delivered it with FedEx. I had to cross out my details there. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, sorry. I always do a raw unboxing, so you can see I'm not editing anything. I would like to inform you as well that I bought this, so I'm not being sponsored. Okay, let's see. It's quite heavy. I like it. And there we have a brown box. Let me just adjust the light. There's nothing, no writing. My trusty old cutter here. I call him William or Willie. Old Man Willie. Right. Okay, Old Man Willie. Let's open it up. I actually already know what to expect, but I'm really surprised with the service, how fast it got from Singapore to Osaka here. Okay, so we have the Zelos logo, and let's take it out of the sleeve. It's very easy to take out from the sleeve. There. And then very nice, really nice feeling. Heavy. Can use this as a watch case as well. And there you go. Let's close that up. Open this. So it comes in a leather blue watch carry-on or something. Okay. Right, so firstly, okay, I can feel, here's the warranty card. I have no idea what's my number, so here we go. 63! Awesome! Yes, perfect. I love that. Good. 19th of October, Zelos. 1 year limited warranty. Nice, solid. Let's put it back in. And here it is. Pa-bam! Wow! Wow, this is heavy, but I like it. I like heavy watch. So, okay, very nice, still in plastic. Nice bracelet compared to Seiko. Yeah, the reason why I got this, because for me watches are not only about brand, but the materials, specification, and basically the value. Also the artistic of it. I really like the, I don't know if you can see that, the dial, the watch face. It's kind of like a 3D pattern there. So I got the great white 1000 meter diver, orange color. Okay, sorry, hold on, my dog's barking. Let me go through the specification very quickly. I don't have any measuring device here, so basically the case is 44 millimeters in diameter. Lug width is 22. Lug to lug, it's 50. I'm reading this from the website, directly from the website. Thickness, it's 16.5 millimeters. It has a sapphire crystal and it's flat. You can see there, it's flat. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, let's open the plastic. Feels good. And let's turn the bezel. Very nice, very solid. No, there is no back play. It's 120 clicks. Okay, let's see. It should line up. Very good. So it lines up. It's a ceramic insert with 2000 Vickers Hardness, brushed, loomed. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, it has a diver extension. I didn't know that. That's really good. Okay, and let's try it on. So I have a big wrist. I have around 7.7 wrist, and I still have a lot of space there, so I will be adjusting. I mean, this is amazing. The feeling is really good. Very heavy and solid, which I really like. That's what I'm looking for in a watch. I don't like a light watch because I want to feel what I'm wearing. It has a Zelos logo. Let's open the, okay, never mind. I've seen some YouTube video that's saying this part is quite sharp. No, it's not sharp. There you go. So this is fine. Okay, to be fair, let's open the plastic up. Okay, if it's sharp, it would cut my wrist. Nope, nothing. So yeah, for me, everything it's very positive. It's a 1000 meter dive watch. Of course, I'm never even gonna go down to 100 meters. It has a nice great white drawing, 3D drawing there. It says Zelos Great White 1000 meters 316 L stainless steel. Turn it to the other side. Sapphire crystal and my model number 63 Wow, 63 out of 75. I'm sorry, I don't know if you can see that. 63 out of 75. I thought they made 150 of these, but apparently only 75. So I'm actually very happy with that. I think it has a Swiss Sellita SW200 automatic movement. Okay, let's try and open it. Turn the crown. It is a screw down crown. Great. One click. Okay, 2 clicks. Okay, so it is hacking. Okay, sorry, my video just got cut there. I have no idea why. Pull it out. Okay, I'm adjusting the time. It's 8:05 in the evening. I think it has a manual winding. I can feel it. Yes, it does. I can hear it as well. And let's put it back in place. Push it down and rotate. Sweet. I will be changing the bezel. The reason why I will change the bezel is because I like to keep the original bezel in tip-top shape. Because I don't like it when it gets scratched. Yeah, desk diving. Daily desk diving would scratch the watch. I'm not so worried about the glass here because it's sapphire. Right, let's test the Loom. Let's see. Let me just turn off all the lights here. Okay, I guess it needs charging. Hold up. Okay, this is another reason. I think the crown, yes, the crown as well. And there you go, there's plenty of looms here, guys. That's amazing, that's really good. Let's see. Isn't that beautiful? That is so nice. I mean, the camera doesn't do justice. If you look at this in person, you kind of have like a 3D effect. From the bezel to the face dial, everything, it looks amazing. Okay, sorry. Yep, the crown there with the Zelos logo. Let's do another one. Okay. Bam! That is beautiful. Right. So, I'll be enjoying this. Let me see. If I have to find something negative, I don't know. Maybe if I'm just being picky, even though this is very solid, it doesn't make the sharp click noise, but that's it, you know, that's just a very personal preference. I actually don't have any problem with that. Maybe some people find the watch to be very heavy, but again, for me, it's great. It's a great feeling. For watching, guys. I see you next time. Arigato gozaimasu.